Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. This quick braised pork spare ribs recipe is delicious and easy to make at home. Perfect for the fall cool night's dinner. For this recipe, I have a package of pork spare ribs. About 7 pounds of it, I only need 3.5. We'll go ahead and open this and cut it into bite size. Once all the pork is done cutting, still on the cutting board, season with salt and pepper and then dredge with some flour. This is all purpose. Toast everything. Set this aside, wash my hands and prep the aromatics. For the aromatics, 2 carrots, 3 celery ribs, an onion. Peel and dice the 2 carrots. I'll use half an onion, peel and dice very small. Onions set aside. 3 ribs celery. Celery done. 1 garlic head chopped. Garlic set aside. Still on the cutting board, dice 2 Roma tomatoes. Pick and chop finely 2 sprigs rosemary and some sprigs of thyme. To go with the pork, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, some tomato paste, pinch red pepper flakes, some paprika, bay leaves, and we're going to use some balsamic vinegar. Ready to start cooking. Heat a large pan or pot that is enough to hold the pork ribs. Add some vegetable oil, and then once the oil is hot, start searing the pork ribs. Turn these ribs once they start acquiring color. These pork ribs are beautifully seared. Remove them into this plate and sear the rest of the batch. Remaining pork ribs. All pork done searing. Now into the oil, add the aromatics, onions, carrots, celery, salt, black pepper, once the aromatics are slightly caramelized or turned color, garlic in, cook for about 30 seconds, bay leaves, fennel seeds, cumin seeds. Have those spices toast just for a couple seconds. They will raise a very good aroma and good flavors into the dish. Tomato paste, tomatoes, pinch red pepper flakes, paprika, chopped rosemary and thyme. Pork ribs back into the pot together with all the accumulated juices. Stir everything all together. Into the pot, add about 3 cups water or just to barely cover the ribs. That's good enough. A good time that you can also either use chicken stock, veggie stock, or anything that will add more flavor. Give this a stir. Once the pot comes to a boil, reduce heat, put a lid on and cook for about an hour or so, or until the porks are almost pulling off the bones. Along the way halfway, I opened the lid and adjusted the seasoning with some salt and pepper, and at the same time added some balsamic vinegar. Garnish with some scallions or parsley. Cilantro will do also. And this dish is ready to go to the table. Serve this delicious pork dish on the same pot that it was cooked in, or you can just serve it individually on plates. Let me give these quick braised porks a taste. Just gonna pick this one with my fingers. Goes very well too with this brown or whole wheat chapati. I will leave a recipe in the description box on how to make this. Scoop some of this delicious sauce. This is finger licking good. I hope it's a recipe that you can try and you and your family will definitely enjoy. We'll see you in the next one. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.